Matrices is the topic that we're onto right now, and we're going to look at multiplying two matrices. So here now, we'll have two matrices, and one matrix will be multiplied by the other. Remember, we already looked at multiplying one matrix by a number. Now we will be multiplying two matrices. Now here we have one matrix. Let us use letters instead of numbers for now. We have A, B, C, D. That is one of our matrices. Then we'll be multiplying by E, F, G, H. So there we have our matrices to multiply. So now, here, when you multiply matrices, you'll have row 1 times column 1. Then row 2 times column 2. Notice, this is row 1 of the answer. This is column 1 of the answer. This is in row 1, column 1. This is in row 1, column 2. I said row 2, it's row 1, column 2. Then we'll have row 2 times column 1. Then row 2 times column 2. You see? Now, you multiply first times first. It will be first multiplied by first plus second multiplied by second. What does that mean? Remember, this is row 1. This is column 1. See that? Now, row 1, column 1. You will multiply row 1 by column 1. So what we have? The first element in row 1 times the first element in column 1 is A times E. So we have A times E, that's AE, plus the second elements now, second in row 1 times second in column 1, that's BG. So that's BG. Right. Then row 1, column 2. Here we have column 2 going down. First elements multiplied. First in row 1 by first in column 1. A times F. So it is A, F. See that? Plus, let me just move this bracket to make a little more space over here. Then, second in row 1 times second in column 2, BH. Row 1, column 2, the seconds now. It is B H. Do you follow? Now, row 2 times column 1. Let's concentrate on row 2 and column 1. This times this, row 2 times column 1. First element in row 2 times first element in column 1. That's CE. Plus second element in row 2 times second element in column 1. CE plus DG. So that's going to be CE plus, and you have DG. Do you see that? Make sure you're following the pattern. Now, notice that we now are going to go over to row 2, column 2, because whatever you put here is in row 2 and column 2 of the answer. Now, this is row 2 and this is column 2. Row by columns. The first element in row 2 by the first element in column 2, that will be CF plus. So what we have is CF plus what? Second element in row 2 times second element in column 2, DH. So it's DH. Good. So you see that. That's how it goes. Row by column. First elements multiplied plus second elements multiplied. So here it's AE plus BG. That gives you this. Then here AF plus BH will give you this. Then CE plus DG will give you this. Then CF plus DH will give you this. Alright. So those are what you have. You multiply one matrix by the other matrix, and this is what you get. How about we try some numbers now? Suppose we have two matrices. We have matrix A equals 0, 1, 2, 3. We have matrix B equals 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to multiply A times B and then B times A. How about you try that? Pause the video and try it. Have fun. And then we see what happens after that. Okay, good. You paused the video. You did it. I know you enjoyed working that out. So, what is AB? AB equals going to be row 1, column 1. This row times this column. First element 0 times 4. Plus second element 1 times 6. Alright. Then, here, this is going to be in row 1, column 2. So we must multiply row 1 by column 2. Alright? So it's row 1 times column 2. So now, first element, 0, multiplied by 5. 0 times 5 plus second element, 1 times 7. It's 1 times 7. Here is going to be element in row 2, column 1. So we must multiply it's going to be row 2 times column 1. You see, it's going to be this row times this column. So, here now. First element in row 2 times first element in column 1, 2 by 4. Plus, it's going to be second element in row 2 times second element in column 1, 3 times 6. This is row 2, column 2. So, here, I'm going to multiply row 2 by column 2 now. It will be this row, row 2 by this column, column 2. So what do we have? Row 2 by column 2. First element in row 2 times first element in column 2. It's 2 times 5 plus second element in column 2 times in row 2 times second element in column 2. 3 times 7. What does that give us? AB equals 0 times 4 is 0, plus 1 times 6 is 1, 0 5 is 0, 1 7 is 7, 2 by 4 is 8, plus 3 6 is 18, 2 5 10, plus 3 7 is 21. Now, AB equals 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 7 is 7, 18 plus 8 is 26, 10 plus 21 is 31, so that is AB. Now, let us look at multiplying B times A now. That is what we're going to do. It's going to be B times A. BA equals remember B was 4 5 6 7, so B is 4 5 6 7 multiplied by 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. What do we get here? Remember now, going to be row 1 times column 1, which will give you row 1, column 1 in the answer. You see that? So this row times this column now. So here, let me just part the work up here from the work down here with that line. So we have 4 0 plus 5 by 2. First element in row 1 times first element in column 1. Second element in row 1 times second element in column 1. 4 times 2. Then out here, we will have row 1, column 2. So, this is row 1 times column 2. See that? First element in row 1 times first element in column 2. That's 4 times 1. Plus, second in row 1 times second in column 2. 5 by 3. Then, here, this is row 2, column 1. We will have row 2 multiplied by column 1. So it's this row times this column. 6 times 0. First element in row 2 times first in row 1. Times column 1. Second in row 2 times second in column 1. First in row 2 times first in column 1. Second in row 2 times second in column 1. It's going to be 6 times 0 plus 7 times 2. Then after that, this is row 2, column 2. Row 2, column 2. This will be first in row 2 times first in column 2. 6 times 1 plus second in row 2 times second in column 2. 7 times 3. So, that is what you have so far. Now, what are you going to do with that? Let's see. Here, you're going to have 4 times 0 is 0, plus 4 by 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 5 by 3 is 15. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 7 twos, 14. 6 1 is 6, plus 7 3 is 21. What does that amount to? It is 0 plus 8 is 8. 15 plus 4 is 19. 0 plus 14 is 14. 6 plus 21 is 27. Now, we had AB equal. Then we're going to have BA equal. Let's remind ourselves of what AB is. AB 6, 7, 26, 31. 6, 7, 26, 31. 6, 7, 36, 21. 6, 7, 36, 21. Now, that is what we have there. 26, not 36. 6, 7, 26, 21. What is BA? We have it right here. So, we have 8, 19, 14, 27. So, you can see that BA and AB are not necessarily the same thing when it comes to matrices. When you multiply two numbers, it doesn't matter the order. But when you multiply two matrices, the order matters. You get different numbers. You get different answers. When you multiply matrix A by matrix B, then matrix B by matrix A. So, there you have it. In that case, AB and BA, we multiplied and we see that it does not follow what is called the commutative law when you're talking about multiplying matrices. So that will be it for this video. We'll look at more matrices in the next video.